guys, I'm just taking a break from my editing to let you know about a challenge that I've got coming up. You'll see posted below in the description, you'll see hashtags for the small channel movement set up by Chris the Butcher and friends, and also to Creators Unite and the small YouTuber army. So those of you who are creators, if you could put these hashtags in your video description, you might just get a bit of leverage that way as well. We can also continue to put the X in your response to this videos and to all each other's videos for those who are creators, and to let the other viewers know that you are looking for subs and that you need some support to get you over the hump. Alright, that's got that said. I'm not cooking today because I've managed to damage this knuckle and it's defying all attempts at analgesic. You know, nothing seems to work on it, like a toothache. So I don't really fancy cooking, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a review I did a few weeks ago of a gift my son and his lovely fiancée bought for me. Alright, the details of the challenge are this. Right, the challenge is the Sandwich of Righteous Justice challenge. And it's whatever interpretation you, the cook, want to put on that theme. So if you want to make a sandwich with stewed Edelweiss petals in it, go ahead. You just do that. That's your thing. All right. It's not one where you have to nominate someone. This is a challenge that it is open to anyone who, at the time they release the video, they have less than 1,000 subs. So this is a small channel movement initiative to get you going with that. And again, put the X down in the comments if you want to be involved in all that. All right. So what you do is you make the best sandwich you can make. It's going to be the Sandwich of Righteous Justice. All right. And show us what you can make and do your best. Try to keep it in theme with your local cuisine. What you cook, what's big in your area. All right. So having said all that, I really can't wait to see the results of this. Some great sandwiches. All right. So onwards and upwards, and my video will be coming up. I'll probably put that up on Wednesday. All right, so look forward to that. Cheers, guys. All right, I'm just doing a quick review on this oval cheese board, which was it was a gift to me by my handsome son and his partner Rachel. You see a picture of him now. It's rather nice. It's compact. I like the idea that it's rather compact. So let me unbox it and show you. So there we have it. It's constructed out of Hevia wood, which is rubber wood, and it comes with these lovely little knives. There's a cheese fork. There's a knife for hard cheese. There's a cheddar chisel there, and a general cheese cutting chisel there. I'm rather impressed with that. The best thing about it is that it's not only is it made of super sustainable wood, it's also it tucks away nicely, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. All the tools are there you need with it. So thanks for that. Thanks Lewis and Rachel, thanks very much. Big love from Dad. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.